crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. We are on day 4 of the soft squares countdown to Christmas. She calls it an advent box. We bought box B, which is the 25 days, and we are on day 4. So far, so good. This is my first year participating, and yes, I purchased and bought this bag or box just like anyone else did. So you get my full and honest opinion, but I have to tell you, I do pretty much kind of have a little crush on Lynne. I think she is hilarious. Mr. Fix It is always just such a nice guy. So I am probably a little starstruck at times, but they are just an amazing group. And I think they're out of Utah, if I remember. So maybe at some point, both of us being West Coast, I may get to bump into the two of them. But we are on day 4, and I am in love with this bag. Look how cute this is. Merry and bright. She's put little snowman stickers and different things on every bag, but I really do like that. I'm not a huge fan of these necessarily the vinyl bags in that, but I do appreciate and like that she put everything together in different. It looks like what would be under my tree. And anyways, I'm not gonna rattle on. I want to open this bag and see what's in it. So day 4. Let's see what Lynne and her team has put together for us. Oh, that's a big old piece of fabric. So, and again, she's put a note in almost every day. And this says B Box Day 4. Ruby Star has some really fun basics. This 2-yard cut of navy is to add to your stash. And so it's a nice 2-yard cut. It is navy. For me, it's absolutely perfect because it's navy. It's got the orange flecks all through it. It also has light blues through it and grays and some red. So I'm not sure if all of that is coming through on the camera for you, but it is from the Ruby Star Society. Rashta Coleman, I guess, is the designer. Sorry, I couldn't think of the word. And it is available through I'm assuming soft square. She must have some of this, but I am, who doesn't like getting fabric, right? And do I have a need for this? Not today. I may, as I open some of these other packages, or may not. It may truly be just for the stash, and if that's the case, that's fine too. I do kind of like these colors. I don't do a lot with navy, so actually getting something gifted to me in this color is probably a good thing, right? Because it's not necessarily a color I would run and grab, but yet it's one that when I look on the shelf, sometimes it's like, wish I had a navy. So, anyways, I am happy with that 2-yard cut. She says that this is a retail value of $22. So she's pricing this at $11 a yard, $10.95 a yard, whatever it is, which is actually kind of on the low side nowadays because it seems like anymore most fabrics are around $14 a yard. So $22, she hit this right on target. Very happy with this. So 2-yard cut of fabric for day 4. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for checking out what's going on. Always feel free to jump over to Lynne's channel too at softsquares.com. She has her own YouTube channel. She does sales. I think it's on Mondays. And she's just fun to listen to. But anyways, with that said, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for listening to me rattle on a little bit tonight. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.